Positive effects of COVID 19. With countries and cities getting into lockdowns and lives pulled into a standstill, COVID 19 has made communities stay away from each other for survival. It's easy to lose your hopes and brood over the negative side effects of any event, especially when as a community we are battling a global pandemic. For every low, there's a high, and it's true that even this current scenario has a silver lining to it. Here are some positive impacts of COVID 19 pandemic that we must look forward to. We are going to survive this, and when we do so, it's a different world that's waiting for us.
Changing environment. Without us constantly running around too many different places, nature is beginning to return to homeostasis and balance. This effect is also in contrast to carbon emissions, which shot up by 5% after the global financial crash over a decade ago. As a result of stimulus spending on fossil fuel used to kickstart the global economy, water bodies have also been clearing, and the rivers Yamuna and Ganga have seen significant improvement since the enforcement of a nationwide lockdown.
Foreign relations and goodwill gesture. In this crisis, India tied the strong bond of friendship with many countries like United States, Germany, Spain, Seychelles, Dominican Republic, Bahrain, Mauritius, Brazil, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Nepal, and Maldives by exporting drugs including hydrochloroquine, HCQ, which are very important to fight against COVID-19. Even India has a dense population. It proved its ability to the world by taking significant steps and restricting the spread of the virus effectively.
Access to seismic events. Less human activities not only improved air and water quality but also made clear the way our Earth moves. Scientists reported a fall in seismic noise, that is, the hum of vibrations at the Earth's crust. Human-induced seismic noise has dropped since lockdown started. This change allowed researchers to find small earthquakes and enhance attempts of monitoring volcanic activities and similar seismic events.
Add to practicing hygiene. Being hygienic is no longer just a good habit but the very skill you need for survival. As social animals, the very engineering of humans is the ability to emote and connect with fellow beings. These recent times have made us all aware of how to do that more hygienically. Therefore, from shaking hands to namaste, we all have had a lifestyle change for the good.
Bonding with our loved ones. We all have been so busy living life. Many of us have lost those real and genuine moments with our loved ones. Now the COVID-19 situation positively impacts the way you emote and maintain relationships. You get to spend time with your family and plan your work better. This actually helps you build a better future.
Change in our social perspective. In the midst of the chaos of pandemic, we have realized we all are equal with regards to the force of nature. Rich or poor, great or small, the virus has impacted on all of us. Such a blow of global proportion has broken down the barrier between us, and we no longer see ourselves as a separate nation. We are starting to understand how much we depend on each other. We realized we need to work together to stay safe.
As a conclusion, we can say every coin has two faces. With bad comes the good, and these are some of the predictions we think would stick around and become the norm. Countries everywhere are still fighting this pandemic, and we sure are going to overcome this. We are a race of survivors, and we are going to win this too. I agree the battle is hard and long, but let's look forward and focus on the brighter side, for all we have through these difficult times are these and nothing else. Stay physically distant but socially connected. Please take care and be safe.